Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This second function starting, okay, lecture number 1, continuity of that. The second question I took and I expanded here after comparison. I got the A value, B and C, and I put it back in the equation. And it's very clear because x square coefficient is negative. The negative comes, as you know, if positive comes x square, so point of minima. But in x square negative comes a point of maxima, and how to get x coordinate and y coordinate under power 2 whatever you have put equal to 0, and the number out of bracket is y coordinate, so I can say 1 8 is my answer. And now I am changing the topic, and plan is to start with you is a range part, domain and range. So let's I take the same question but find domain range. So let's start. I'm writing the whole thing, but I take this equation only. So how to find the domain or range? For example, find the range. Find range. Same question. For x belongs to real number. Fun idea. And I have done it. So my question is this converted in this form, and this answer came 2 times 2x plus 2 whole square minus 18. So let's see how we can do the different ideas here. So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A part. He can ask you, the topic is what now? Functions, and in functions I'm going to discuss with you domain and range. Domain and range. So first basic rule which we have is very clear. So I discuss that first. When I move along x-axis like x is 1, 2, 3, that way, it's called domain. It's called domain. So x-axis is called as a domain, and y-axis is called as a range. So I write a key points here. So what is the domain? You can say here. So x values considered as domain, and y values considered as range. So first part is so simple. Okay, he's asking find the range for when x belongs to real number. So what's a real number? First of all of you know what real number stand for. There is no restriction. It means all positive number and all negative number. I can take all numbers. So let's start. But before to start this concept, you must know the graph. What is the graph? This one x squared positive, so point of minima. Okay, point of minima, and point of minima is what? Under power 2 put equal to 0, I got minus 2, and y is minus 18. If you look at carefully, this is my domain. So here x is minus 2, here x is minus 1, here 0, and forward backward. Okay. Examiner can ask you what is the range for the when we have this one. What does range stand for? Range stand for what is the y coordinate. So how y coordinate fluctuates. So it is very clear. So range for this is clear. So y value start from minus 18 and move upward. This is called range. But I think not idea proper. I give you a basic concept which is very important here. So let's start the diagram properly. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. And I take care. Minus 5, minus 10, minus 15, minus 20. So let's start. Please take your calculators and give me the values. But I ask from you, you have to give me those values. Okay, have a look please, get ready. So when I put, use this expression only, right? When I put x value minus 2, so give me answer. When you put minus 2, it will give me minus 18. How much? Minus 18. So it means at minus 2, I am getting minus 18. So my answer is minus 18. Okay. Please check if you put minus 1 in the place of x. So what answer comes? Minus 1, it give you 1 squared is 2. So minus 16 coming. So it means minus 16 I'm getting. And guess minus 1 getting minus 16 which are here. Okay, here. So minus 16. And I'm asking please put minus 3 and check. Please minus 3, it will give you again minus 16. Check. How come? Minus 3 I'm putting here. Minus 3. I got a minus 1 square, I got again minus 16. So it means it is coming same answer. Can you give me please 0? Again 0, when I put 0 here, 2 square 4, 4 2s are 8, I got minus 10. So it means against 0 I'm getting minus 10. And I give assurance against minus 4, I will get again minus 10. You can check even. Okay, against 1, what I'm getting answer? Put 1. I got a 3 square 9, 9 to the 18, I got a 0. If against 1, I'm getting 0. Against minus 5, confirm 0. Against 2, please give me answer. 2 plus 2 is 4, so 16. 32 out of 32. 18 gone, 14? 14. So, 14 answer. So, 5, 10, 15. So, I am getting 14, which is here. It means I am getting this answer. And what against minus 6? Naturally again 14. So if you draw the graph, graph is coming this way. I hope so you got the idea now what I'm saying. So graph goes this way and graph goes this way. And my question, a basic question from you. If I move from minus 2 forward, what is the pattern of motion? See. If my x value is minus 2, my y value is minus 18. If I move here, my x value is minus 1, my y value moves up, came up, minus 16. My x value is 0, the y value became minus 10. My x value is positive 1, my y value becomes 0. My x value is 2, my y value has become 14. I think this is confirmed now here. If I move from minus 2 forward, what is y pattern? So y pattern is starting from minus 18. It goes up and up and up. It will not stop anywhere. So can I see my range? See, y value is bigger than equal to minus 18. Not even right side. Let's come left hand side. If I talk about minus 3, so my answer is coming minus 16. Against minus 2, minus 4, I'm getting minus 10. Against minus 5, I get 0. Against minus 6, I'm getting 14. So if you go right or left, graph goes up and up. So that is why you can say clearly the range is for this question is here, y is bigger than equal to minus 18. Let's talk about some more thing. For example, pattern change, B part. Find range when x value starting from minus 4 till 0. Now you will keep your eye when x fluctuate from minus 4 to 0, like x value start from minus 4 and shifting towards 0, what is the pattern of motion of y coordinate? So let's see. For example, I am on x value is minus 4. So please have a look here. If my x value is minus 4, what is y value? Please tell me. Minus 10. It means I am on minus 10. I move from here, right hand side. My y value goes downward till minus 16. I have minus 2, I reach minus 18. I move 1, I turn back. Turn back means here go backward and I reach minus 16. I move till 0, I reach on negative 10. I reach, okay, so my question from this motion, from here to this motion, what is the highest and lowest value? Highest is minus 10 and lowest is? So what is the range come for this answer? So range is coming so simple. Y value is highest minus 10 and lowest is minus 18. So I mean to say you will keep your eye on the y value. If x move forward or backward, how y value fluctuates. So let's discuss last example. And my question is now find the range. Find the range when x value is starting from 0 ending at 3. So let's see what happens now. Starting from 0 ending at 3. So please focus here. When my x value is 0, what is y value? 10. Minus 10. It means my value is minus 10 when I'm starting from 0. I move 1, my y value is moved on 0. Simple. And if I move on a 2, I reach on 14. If I move from 0 to 2, so 3, it means do one thing. Because I don't know graph is going up and up and up, so I'll find last number here. Please give me answer for case 3. And case 3, I think it's coming 525, 50. Out of 50, 18 gone, so 32 comes. So 32. So can I say range is so simple, starting from minus 2 and going up and up, but no, it's stopping where? It's stopping at 13. So range is starting from minus 10 and ending at 32. This is my answer. I repeat again, what is the idea behind it? So starting from 0, my eye is towards against 0. When x is 0, what is y value? Minus 10. So as I move 1, my y value Right.